Ben Kruger biography, personal life, career. Ben Kruger, 25 March 1957 – 26 May 2021, was a South African actor and author, best known for his roles in the popular serials Snake Island, Beanlandos, and Zero Tolerance. Personal life. He was born on 25 March 1957 in Bothaville, South Africa. His father was a pastor in the local ACTS congregation. His mother was from Bloemfontein. At the age of 2, he moved to Cape Town with his family. Then at the age of 4, he moved to Johannesburg, where he completed his schooling at Helpmika Boys High School. After school, Kruger served in the South African Navy for 18 months, as he was conscripted for national service, after which he obtained his BA Drama at the University of Pretoria. On 25 May 2021, Kruger passed away at his home in Brooklyn, Pretoria at the age of 64, as a result of the pandemic complications. Career. He started his acting career in the theatre, where he performed in the plays Die Huigelaar as Clean Truck in 1986, It's a Boy, Scenery and Die Suburbs as Jakes at the State Theatre, Pretoria. In 2000, he performed in the play Heartbeats directed by Alexander Strachan. He later directed the play Heart Like a Stomach produced by Ian Fraser at the Winterboro Theatre. He is the co-writer of the play Casper in Casablanca along with Chris Pretorius. In 1995, he starred in the film Cry, The Beloved Country. Later he also starred in the feature films Snake Island in 2002 and Stander in 2003. He is best known for the roles of Oki Ferreira in the serial Beanlandos. Then he played the role Nifjert in the serial Seven de Laan, and then as Saki Bisuidenhut in the series Zero Tolerance. In 2006, he won the Golden Horn Award for Best Supporting Actor in a TV drama series for the role Saki. In 2007, he was awarded the Golden Horn Award for Best Supporting Actor in a TV comedy Gabriel. In 2014, he joined the serial Beanlandos and played the role Oki Ferreira. In 2020, he won the Golden Horn Award for Best Supporting Actor in a TV soap for this role.